If you're 18 years old, if I was 18 years old right now, once again, I would literally go get a Discover card with $200 or $500. Or if I had a decent job, I would take $1,000 and put it on that credit card and only use 3 to 10% for the first 6 months. After the 6 months have elapsed, I will then max out the card about 80%. The reason I'm doing this is because I will have then saved up enough money to make these payments without even having to worry about these payments. Okay, this is what I call get it and get back. Okay, get it and get it back. Okay, it's simple. What you're doing is necessarily you're paying off your credit card with this maxed out amount, and you're showing the credit bureau that you're responsible with this amount that you already put in. This is your own money. So when you apply to Discover and you only get a secure credit card versus a unsecured credit card, because the secure credit card is your own money, an unsecured credit card is their money. So get it and get it back, okay? So get your money and get their money back. That's what that means, okay? So with that being said,